Hello everybody, today we come to Factory of Shandong Guangqing Machinery Technological Ltd. This is produced by our factory, mobile mixing plant. It comes with a horizontal cement silo. It breaks the confines of a flake cement bin. Meet the requirements of bagged cement and bulk cement loading at the same time. Equipped with an electric vibrator, arch braking device, and the pneumatics. This is a dust removal device. Effectively remove dust from the production process. This is the main body of the mobile mixing plant. It's equipped with a vertical shaft planetary mixer. Mix well, no dead ends. The structure starts from the bottom up. Then the water tank, belt conveyor, vibrator, and aggregate storage bins. Installed again. Control system. Equipped with manual operation interface. It has a display, a touch interface. It can also be operated normally in rainy days. Through this water pipe, direct delivery of water and admixtures is possible. Can be used directly. Finally, this is a mobile mixing plant as a whole.